back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, and I am going to attempt to do this vlogmas thing with y'all. Y'all know that I am not that consistent with just uploading content like that, but we're gonna give it a go. It may not be every day, but I'm gonna do my best. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Now, for this first video, y'all, I have my Christmas tree up in the background, and I'm not like a huge decor person when it comes to Christmas, so I'm trying, y'all. I need to add something to this tree because it needs some help. Wait a minute, let me cut on the lights so y'all can see. Give me a second. All right, y'all, so I am very neutral. As y'all know, I don't like a lot of extra stuff going on, so everything that's on my tree right now is just like browns, golds, some champagne colored balls. Nothing huge, but it definitely needs something. And because I'm just not that type of girl, I gotta figure out what I can add to this tree. So I'm about to YouTube how to tie ribbon or how to put ribbon on a tree because I have absolutely no idea. But I did buy some ribbon off of Amazon. I don't even know if this is enough ribbon to go on this tree, but I bought this off of Amazon, y'all, and we're gonna try it out and see if it works. But this is what it looks like. It came with like 6 rolls of ribbon. It's the wired ribbon, so I think they should stick in the tree pretty easily. But again, I just got some cream, champagne, and gold color ribbon just to add a little extra flair to the tree. So I'm gonna YouTube how to put this ribbon in the tree, and let's go ahead and do it together.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Oh, babe, snuggle, baby.
All right, y'all, so I think that I have watched enough videos to try and figure out exactly what I'm doing. I think that because I got the wired ribbon, that it's gonna make it super easy. So I'm just gonna dive into it. If it comes out cute, it does. If it doesn't, then, you know, we'll just start over. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it.
Drive you crazy, my cuddle baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my cuddle baby. Don't stop, this is my favorite part. Hold me like it's out of style. Imagination is running wild. Eternity.
So far, that's what I got. Let's see what I'm just gonna keep going and we'll see how it turns out.
Just wait, let me drive you crazy, my kind of baby. Wanna stay? Let's get stupid lazy, my kind of baby.
It was at this exact moment that I wanted to give up. This was not turning out the way that I envisioned and what I saw in my head, y'all, and I just wanted to stop. right then and there, but I kept going on and just watched to the end. I did not end up keeping this particular design, but I did put a footage at the end of the video to show you exactly what I went ahead and did with the tree.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody.
All right, so guys, this is what the tree actually looks like. Right now I have everything on it except for the back side, and I'm just kind of standing back and looking at it, and I'm pretty sure this was a complete fail. It does not look good to me at all, but I'm probably going to end up taking this down. But I did want to show you some of the ornaments that I was able to get while I was at Hobby Lobby. This little flower was super cute. You can just stick it inside the tree. So I got a few of those. I also got like some of their little acorns. They had all of their ornaments on sale for 50% off earlier this about a couple of months ago. So I definitely took advantage of that. This ornament right here was one of my favorites. I love the wood accent of it. I got it because it matches the decor of my house. I have a piece of wall art that goes perfectly with that wood ornament. This is it right here. I love this piece of art. It is like, it just brings so much to the room, and it's always a conversation piece. So I definitely wanted to get some wood ornaments to kind of keep that neutral woodsy vibe and neutral vibe to the house. But this ribbon, y'all, is just not giving it at all.
But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams, living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
All right, everyone, that's it. Thank you for coming along with me as I think I failed with the tree. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. Y'all can be honest. Put it in the comments. Your girl failed. But I appreciate y'all for watching with me anyway and coming along on this little fail mission that I had with this ribbon, because it just didn't want to act right. And I don't think that I really like the way it looks. I'm gonna still keep it up for a few more hours and see how I feel. But yeah, I don't know. Drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. And again, I'm going to try my best to get y'all some Vlogmas videos up. But I don't know if I'm going to do every day. But stay tuned. We're going to do as much as we can. Bye.